You're on Lady Liberty. It's a commemorative boat to all the people in the armed forces, men and women who served here, overseas, POWs, and war veterans. I fit into a few of those categories myself. That's why I drive Lady Liberty, the best boat in the fleet. Also, ladies and gentlemen, please keep your hands inside the rails of this boat for your safety. We call this finger food for the alligator, snapping turtle, and poisonous snakes out here. Also, there's a 40-gallon fuel tank directly behind you. Please, no smoking, or it's hazardous to all of our healths. Right in that container are life vests. You won't need one until you see me put one on. I haven't sunk a boat in at least a week, so feel safe. You ready for some fun?
Yep. Yeah.
All right, let's go for a ride.
I spoke for it.
Welcome aboard, Lady Liberty. Lady Liberty is 32 feet long at Holiday Park. Our special team of mechanics and technicians. Here we have some pumping stations that pump 3 million gallons of water an hour when all those gates and doors are open. There's over 300 of these pumps throughout the state and the Everglades to ensure that the mainland. All the water in the Everglades is all fresh water made from rainfall. There is no salt or brackish water in the Everglades. Over the main canal. This canal, 40 miles long and 40 miles deep.
One of the longest, deepest canals here in the Florida Everglades. It's also a network of 4,200 miles of canals that were dug by the Army Corps of Engineers back in the late 1800s. The Everglades goes from Florida City all the way to Lake Okeechobee. It's 200 miles long by 100 miles wide. It is the deepest in the entire United States. Waters out here can rise 5 to 9, even 12 feet. At the end of the month when hurricanes and tropical storms come in, aquifer. This water seeps into the ground to create our drinking water. We're next to the island known as Buzzard Island. In the evening between 6 and 8, anywhere from 350 to over 1,000 buzzards fly into these islands. They come from the county dumps and throughout the Everglades. They get their rest, they drink a little water. Next morning when the sun comes up, they take flight again in search of more food. Most of the buzzards here are known as turkey buzzards. They are scavenging birds that only eat things that are not alive. They clean up the carcasses and the messes that other animals leave behind. And off to the left of the trees, you'll see the buzzards hanging out, taking a little rest. Now you'll see them on the right. Now he's on the right. He'll protect about a 3.5-acre area. Wherever he lives, he won't let a male come into the area, or the fight is on to the death. He's got about 80 teeth in his mouth, 40 on top, 40 on bottom. Used for crushing and tearing his prey. Yeah, at this time, please keep your hands inside the boat for your safety, or they may belong to the Everglades.
Il est long, regarde sa queue, où est-ce qu'il arrive.
Yeah, he's at least 12 feet long. He's got his eyes shut now. He'll open them every now and then to see where I'm at, but he mainly just wants to take his nap all day long. We can hunt tonight. Yeah, they're nocturnal animals. They feed and hunt at night. They usually... And off to the edge, where the lily pads are, those heart-shaped leaves in the water, that's where the 6-foot drop-off is, because those plants won't grow any more than that. Four eggs buried right there. When they hatch out, she'll take one at a time in her mouth and walk them down to the water's edge. That may take her all day. is on the right. And in the same tree is another plant known as the pineapple bromeliad. Looks like the top part of a pineapple placed in the tree to grow.
Welcome to the Everglades. Subscribe and like.
Alright guys, that's the Everglades Park. Remember to like, subscribe, share. Alright, this is where I end the video.